thanks for tuning in. Basically, by now you're probably wondering, where is he going with this? I still haven't figured it out. Well, this video will pretty much get you into the right direction. As this truck sits now, it is on a 6-inch rough country lift, and it did have 20 by 12 with 33-inch tires. With rough country, you know, the whole package, also with the body lift kit, all that. So keep watching, because we're going to do a drastic change right now. Here we go. Waiting on right here, the big reveal, Carolina lean. That's how we're rolling now. It increased the payload capacity. You can enter the tailgate real easy with one jump. Aerodynamic flow underneath the front here. That's the way we're rolling now. North Carolina lean. How about them apples? Alright, there we have it, folks. We're all done other than the C notch. So we got the Carolina lean going. That's what we's going for. Try to step it up to the big boys. So yeah. Hopefully y'all like this video. I noticed I scratched my stuff right here. That is not good. The dust on this thing. Anyway, thanks for watching. Make sure and give it a thumbs up, subscribe. Until next time, keep it simple, keep it lean.